Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to kind of talk about what to do if you're stalled on keto. So first, can we just say, like, look at my bat arms. I'm trying to get, accept my body and know it's changing, and I'm going into public like this. I got some new workout clothes that I will include a little video, I guess, at the end of this, just showing kind of like where my body is at right now currently. I'm pushing 53 pounds. I've kind of been teeter-tottering back and forth with the last couple of ounces. This is usually what my body tends to do around this time of the month. My period hasn't come yet, but I know it will be. It comes at the end of the month, so this is where I kind of start like putting on some water weight, putting it off, putting it on, and so we'll see what happens there. But then after is when I do like a whoosh, and then I lose a couple of pounds. So right now I am at 244.6, I think I was, or no, 244.4. I'm 244 point something. Today. Yesterday's 245. So I did go down a pound. I am going to try to get more sleep in. I don't sleep very much. Having this Fitbit has told me that. I looked at my sleep from a long time ago, like a year ago when I had a Fitbit, same account. I would get 7-8 hours every single night. Do you know how much sleep I get every night now? 5 hours and 17 minutes every single night. Some nights it's 20 minutes. But yes, every night since I've had this, I've had it for a week, I've slept 5 hours and 17 minutes. I notice on the weekends when I have more time to sleep in and I wake up and I weigh myself, I'm down more compared to days that I do not and I weigh myself and I'm up. My body hasn't had the chance to get rid of that water weight and that just extra. Also on the weekends, since I sleep in, I find it a lot easier to go longer with my fast before I eat. Like, I broke my fast on Saturday morning at like 4 p.m. Not even morning, 4 p.m. I broke my fast today, Sunday, at 2:30 p.m. During the week, I am hungry, and I really feel like it has a lot to do with sleep. So that's something I'm going to be trying to do this week. I'm going to be working on that. As far as things that you can do if you're feeling like your body is stalling, always go back to your macros. If you don't track macros, if you're stalled, maybe you should. I track my macros. I'm doing a thing now where I'm kind of trying to not be so strict on the weekends and just allow myself just to enjoy myself on the weekend. I still track, but I'm not going to be like, oh my God, I need to track this immediately type. I do that more when I'm at my boyfriend, so I can just like enjoy my time with him and everything. I haven't tracked anything that I've eaten today. I know everything that I ate was completely good. I actually just got back from the park with the boys and the dog, and I actually used my very last ketone strip, so I need to get more of those. But I just took my ketones and my glucose, and I'm at a 4.16 GKI, so I'm good. I'm right where I need to be. I'm burning fat for fuel. So go back to your macros if you're not losing. If every day you step on the scale and you're going up, or you're just sitting still and not moving, there's something wrong in your macros. Either you're eating too much protein, you're eating too much fat, or you're eating too many calories. There's tons of macro calculators on the internet. Just type that in, enter your height, your weight, your age. It'll give you a guideline to, there are some very loud kids outside. It'll give you a guideline to what you should be eating. I lowered mine. Let me Mine are, I lowered mine like a month or so ago, and it's been working pretty good for me. I gotta plug my phone in because it's just about to die. Mine are 21 net carbs, but I don't hardly ever eat that many carbs. I usually sit around 11 to 15. 135 grams of fat, 97 grams of protein, and then 1,692 calories. That's what I try to stay at, and I've been doing fairly well with staying under all of those. But if you are stalled, look at your calories. I know people say when you start keto not to worry about your calories, and really you shouldn't. You need to get used to eating these certain foods, but after you've been in it doing keto for a month or so, then it's time to kind of reel it in. Look at your calories, make sure you're not going over on your calories, because no matter what, if you're going over on your calories, you're not burning and you're not doing all kinds of exercise or something, you're not doing anything good for your body. Your body is not burning enough calories, you're eating more calories, and it's just not, it's not working for you. So lower your calories. Don't go under 1,200 calories. It's really not that great for your body. You know, it's bad for hair loss and just, it's not good. You can do your own research on that. I mean, I'm not a medical professional, but I do know going under 1,200 calories isn't the best for your body. So stay above 1,200 calories. Fats. Another thing they say when you're first starting keto is to just eat a lot of fat. And that's true. Again, you want to get into the habit of eating the fat, learning healthy fats are okay for you, but again, you don't want to just go willy-nilly on your fats and just eat willy-nilly. Did I really just say that? What the hell? You don't want to go crazy on your fats. If you're eating a ton of fat, think of it this way. When you're in keto, your body is using your fat for fuel, right? We know that, right? That's what ketosis is. If you're eating a ton of fat and your body is using that fat that you're eating for energy, when is it ever going to get the time to use the fat that's already on your body for energy? It's not. So you don't want to eat low fat, because the reason we eat fat on keto is to help us keep full, so we're not constantly craving foods to keep eating. Because on a normal carb diet, when you eat carbs, you get energy. And so when you keep getting hungry, that's your body saying, oh, hey, don't forget, I want to feel like that again, so feed me. So when you're eating fat, you're keeping yourself satiated and you're not wanting to go eat more. So you just want to eat enough fat so you're not constantly hungry, starving, getting that horribly starving feeling. If you are constantly hungry and feeling like you're starving, you're not getting enough fat. Protein is very, very important on keto. They say moderate protein, and that is correct. But you don't want to eat too little protein, and you don't want to eat a ton of protein, but you do need that protein to help your muscles. If you don't eat hardly any protein, that's definitely not good for you. A lot of people have problems staying below on their protein. I am one of them, but I mean, just moderate protein. Just try to watch where your proteins are at. I would say most of the time when you're stalling, it's usually the fat, eating too much fat, or going over on your calories. And once you correct one of those two, then you're usually okay. Now, there are cases where you're eating everything okay, everything is where it should be, but you're eating a food that might not be sitting well with you. Now, my battery is gonna die, so I need to hurry this up. But if you're using a Starbucks sugar-free syrup, or drinking Bang Energy, or eating a special chocolate, or just anything like that, and you're stalled, maybe cut that out and try it for a couple of days and see if that helps. It may not mess with you. A lot of those things don't mess with me, but it could be messing with you. So that's just a quick little tip. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. My email is also down below. You can email me anytime. And I hope you guys have a great day and make some good decisions. Bye, guys. Here we go. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you, I got these workout clothes because I really want to start incorporating some working out into my routine. I got this cute little sports bra. It's actually a 2X. I'm used to wearing a 3X, so that's kind of awesome. This tank top is a 3X, but I like it because it's nice and big. And then these leggings with like that cool little design and the pocket and stuff. This is all from Walmart, and this is like so comfortable, and I've been like doing like jumping and stuff, and like it's not riding down, and it makes me feel good in it, and it makes me want to exercise. So this tank top was only $2.97. The sports bra was on sale for $12. No, it wasn't on sale. It was $12. These were $14, but they were on sale, I think, for like $10 or $12. They also had some other pairs that were like $7. I got a couple of those, and then some exercising shorts that were like $2.97 as well. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. This is the first time that I think I'll be going out in public in a tank top. I don't like my flabby arms and my weird discoloration under my armpits and my weird gross side boobs, but this is my body, and I'm starting to accept it and starting to trying to love it. Happy Easter, guys.